Hello, friends. Today we are going to read the first chapter of your course book, and the name of the chapter is The Fun They Had. It is a story which is based on how the machines are affecting your life and how the future schools will be there. What type of future schools will be there? This story is based on that. So, uh, maybe after 100 years you'll have a virtual classrooms, you'll have a moving e-text, maybe you have a robotics teacher, not these type of teacher which are teaching you these days, and maybe your learning will be through computers. Okay, so shall we begin? Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. Now, two children are there in the story. One is Margie and the other one is Tommy. They both are brother and sister. And she is writing in her diary, and the date what she is mentioning is 17th of May 2157. And what she wrote in her diary, what she noted down in her diary, she noted down that today Tommy found a real book. So, is it something that to be one has to be noted in her diary? Not na, but they have seen the notebook or this real book for the first time. That is why they are mentioning it in her. That is why she is mentioning it in her diary. It was a very old book, and obviously, maybe they have not seen these type of they have not seen these type of books or notebooks, so it was something very strange for her. And it was obviously a very old book, so the pages of that book were crinkly and yellow. Crinkly means with many folds or lines on it, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still. So just in your books, in your the pages, they are, the letters are firm, the letters are words are not moving here and there, but in computer we can scroll the screen, you know, we can, what is written on the top, we can by scrolling the screen we can read that, or what is written on the bottom, by scrolling the screen we can see that also. So the words seem to move, but in books it is not so. And then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it. Now after 2 3 days, suppose if we want to again check the same thing, the words will be there on the book. They are not going to be, no one can erase those words that it had when they read it the first time. So Tommy Tommy said, "What a waste. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away." I guess our television screen must have had a million books on it, and it is good for plenty more. I would not throw it away. So he tries to keep that book with himself. So the girl also, she says that yes, same with mine. Now Tommy is 13 years old and Margie is 11 years old. She asked her brother, "Where did you find it?" He pointed out in the attic. Attic means a storeroom, which is a place to keep the old things, or the things that are not necessary. है ना? So that type of place below the roof. So now she again asks, "What is it about?" School. Now they have never heard the word school, so that was something strange. They have never seen a school. Margie was scornful. Scornful means contemptuous or showing you think something is worthless, not necessary. No? School. What is there to write about school? I hate school. They have never seen the school which you people are going to. So it was something strange for them. And that is why she said, "Ki, I just hate schools." Margie always hated school. Now, why she hated the school? Because why she hated the schools? Because uh, she was not having a proper school which we have, the same type of school which we have. Maybe she is having the virtual classroom, maybe she is having a virtual school, robotics teacher, maybe, है ना? We are going to read in the chapter. But now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. Now, this girl, she hated the school because she was not doing good in geography subject. She was getting very less marks in geography. That is why she hated the school. And one day her mother, she was so puzzled with her this attitude, these marks, and because of that she called for the county inspector. He was a round little man. County inspector means a person who is there to correct their computer, the school system, है ना? Because their school system was their computer only. Their classroom was their own bedroom, or maybe a room near their bedroom. That was their classroom. So a county inspector was called. They called a mechanic, and that mechanic, he was round little man with the red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. When your teachers enter your classroom, they carry either chalk, duster, books, notebooks, these things they carry. But this county inspector, when he came in the virtual classroom, he was carrying dials and wires or a box of tools. So he smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. Then took the teacher apart, and he removed the teacher uh, from that setup. Margie had hoped he would not know how to put it together again, but he knew how, all right, and after an hour or so, there it was again. So Margie did not want to continue the studies, so she wanted ke better that compute. Okay, so the count within an hour the county inspector came back, and he adjusted the screen and started the lesson. With a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. So their classroom was like a computer, big computer screen on which all the subjects and all the lessons were there. Turn by turn, they were uh, one can click on those and start the studies. It wasn't so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. She always had to write them out in a punch code they made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. Obviously, mechanical teachers or the machines, they are better than human beings in calculation, in terms of calculation. But when we say कि artificial intelligence or intelligence, then obviously human brain is better than machines. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. And he also gave the reason to her mother that why she was not doing good in geography. He said that I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. So she was of 11 years. Fine. But she was learning geography, the chapters which were coming to her, or the content that was coming to her was of 12-year-old child. So there was a gap and a 1 year, so she was not able to cope up with it, and that is why she was getting very less marks. Those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. Now he just adjusted the speed of that geography sector, and now it was according to her level, that is to an average 10-year level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory. And he patted Margie's head again. So he said कि overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory, though she was not doing good in geography because geography sector was geared up little faster than her age. So now he has adjusted it and she will be able to do it. Margie was disappointed. Why she was disappointed? Because she wanted relaxation from school, but as the county inspector has adjusted the uh, geography sector or the computer, so she has to do the studies. So she had been hoping that they would take the teacher away altogether. Now what she was thinking, that may be possible that they will take the teacher, they will take the computer. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. Now these type of things you are facing these days, because we are learning through mobiles, WhatsApp, YouTube, or Zoom teaching, Zoom app. So many times you must have seen that these type of technical problems appear. Sometimes the network problem is there, sometimes the teacher or you yourself are not able to connect. So these type of problems appear in these technical things, in these type of machines. So once what happened, Tommy's teacher was the mechanic or the county inspector. He took the Tommy's teacher away for nearly 1 month because the history sector was not working properly. It was blanked out, it was not having any content. So he has to install it again, and that is why it took about 1 month. This girl was also thinking that I should also get this type of 1 month leave, but she did not get. So she said to Tommy, why would anyone write about school? Now, again, back to the story. She is saying, why would anyone write about school? Schools are not very so that is why Margie was not liking her school. She did not like her school, and that is why she said, "Ki why anyone will write about a school?" Okay, now the sixth paragraph. Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes because it is not our kind of school, stupid. Now she has seen only the computer screen or her own room, in which the computer setup was there. That is why she is thinking that these type of schools are there. But Tommy said, "Nahi, we are not talking about this type of school. We are talking about some other type of school. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago." He added loftily, pronouncing the word carefully, "centuries ago." He stressed out on the word centuries ago, because the schools in which you people are studying these days, Margie was hurt. "Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago." She read the book over her shoulder for a while. Then she said, "Anyway, they had a teacher." So now she's saying, and they have seen the picture that how the studies were. Okay, so now Margie said that they had a teacher, and it was a man, human being, because she has never seen such a teacher before. She was taking her education, she was taking her teaching, she was being taught by a computer only. She has never seen a human teacher. So it was something very surprising for her. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. A man? How could a man be a teacher? Now she's asking her brother, how can a man be a teacher? Because she has never seen such a teacher before. She has seen only computers and files and documents which are there in computer, but she has never seen a human teacher. Maybe they have robotics teacher in those times. Well, he just told the boys and girls thinking sorry well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. Now the brother, he is telling her that in those days the students, they used to get homework, and the real teachers or the human teachers, they used to ask them questions also when they were explaining their chapter, just as we are doing every time we ask you questions. The same way he told her sister that these type of things are these type of things were there in previous schools. A man isn't smart enough. Now she has been taught with the computer only, so she thinks that computers are the best. But so she says that a man isn't smart enough. Sure, he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. He knows almost as much I. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. She said, "I would not want a strange man in my house to teach me." Tommy screamed with laughter. Now she has never seen such a teacher before, so that is why she was little scared or little afraid of that, and that is why she said, "I would not want a strange man." Strange man means whom she does not know, "in my house to teach me." Now Tommy screamed with laughter. "You don't know much, Margie. The teachers did not live in the house. They have a special building." So, are you all doing the learning at your home only? No, na. Earlier you were coming to school when lockdown was not there, and again when the lockdown will not be there, you have to come to school. So she has never seen a school. She has never seen such a building. So she was surprised, and then she said, "Ki I don't want any strange man to come to my house to teach me." Then Tommy replied, "You don't know much, Margie. The teachers did not live in the house. They have a special building, and all the kids went there. So, for study purpose, all the students, they wear a uniform, they carry their bags, and then they go to school. which was not there in their life. They have not seen such a school or such a building, and all the kids learned the same thing. It was not like according to age group, or suppose if one student has covered up his any chapter, he can go with the second one, he can start another one. But the teacher teaches to each and every child the same topic, and all the kids learn the same thing. Sure, if they were the same age. But my mother says, now again she is arguing, but my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently. So, now according to the new concept, what is there? The teacher has to come down to the child's level, and according to the child's level she has to teach, she or he has to teach. But their earlier, the teacher was same, and she or he was giving the lecture to the whole class as a group. So just the same, they didn't do it that way then. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. I did not say I did not like it, Maji said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny schools. Now she is taking interest in what her brother was saying. Earlier she was refusing कि oh, I don't want any strange man to come to my house to teach me and this and that. But now when she heard about students, how they come to school and all, so now she is taking interest. I did not say I did not like it, Maji said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny schools. Now she is taking interest. They were not even half finished when Maji's mother called, Maji, school. Maji looked up. Not yet, Mama. Now, said Mrs. Jones, and it's probably time for Tommy too. Maji said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school? So now it was time for her to go to school. School is her own one room which was there just beside her bedroom. So she has to go there because it was time to start her studies. Can I read the book? So she asked her brother, can I read this book some more with you after my school? After I finish my school, can I come with you to read this book? He said maybe. He said nonchalantly. He walked away whistling, and dusty old book stuck beneath his arm. Nonchalantly means not showing much interest or enthusiasm. Carelessly, in a very careless way. Maji went into the classroom. It was right next to her bedroom. The school or the classroom was there in her own house, just beside her bedroom. And the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturdays and Sundays. So maybe on Saturdays and Sunday they have holiday. So generally at the same time, suppose if it was 9 o'clock, so every day on 9 o'clock the mechanical teacher or the virtual teacher will start. So this is the room in which her we can say it her as a classroom also. The screen, video, everything, robot. So all these things are there as her school or as a class. And her mother said that little girls learned better if they learned at regular hours. So her mother was saying that little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. So for maintaining punctuality, for maintaining regularity in life, all these type of things are necessary. One has to be disciplined. The screen was lit up and it said, today's arithmetic lesson is on addition of proper fraction. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. Now, if you have seen, these floppies are there, so maybe the homework, whatever Margie has done, is there in this floppy, and through this floppy, she is going to submit her homework to the mechanical teacher. Okay. Margie did so with the sighs. Sigh means okay. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. So, when she was doing her class, at the same time, she was thinking about the old schools which her brother has told her. And the book which they have got was of her grandfather's grandfather. So all the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the classroom, going home together. So these are the small, small things that you love. You go to school not only to study but to enjoy with your friends also. You enjoy the 15 minutes time recess period, is it or not? So these type of small small things add happiness to your life. So she was also thinking about the kids, that how all the kids used to go to the school together, enjoying, laughing and shouting in the play yard, in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. So enjoying. They learned the same things so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. Now, if you have seen this girl, she is studying all alone in the room. No one is there with her. No friends, no teacher, no one. So, it is very monotonous, very dull. The school life for Margie is very dull or monotonous, but for us it is not so, because we are going to school, we are enjoying with our friends, we are taking lunch together, we are sharing our food, we are sharing our books and notebooks also with each other, we can help our friends. So she was, now she started feeling like what type of schools they had earlier, and they were the best schools. They learned the same thing so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. And the teachers were people. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen. So now her class was going on, but still her mind was distracted. She was thinking about the old school, about the old teachers, about the students. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen. When we add fractions, half and 1/4, dash dash dash. So the teacher was teaching, but she was not able to concentrate on what the teacher was teaching. Her mind was distracted from that. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. So she was thinking, she was comparing her own school to the school which we have right now. So Even I want to say something, that you should all love to come to school, you should all love your school, your friends, your teachers, everything. Because during lockdown, what we have seen, the study pattern was quite, uh, it has changed a lot through Zoom app, or through videos, or through YouTube, or through some other computer apps you are learning. So there's a basic difference. So this is your chapter number 1, that is the fun they had. It was written by Sir Isaac Asimov. Thank you.